I'm in big trouble. I have the in-laws coming over tonight for a special dinner that I told them that I would cook. And somehow, I've got to make a fabulous dinner in the next 3 hours. The problem is, I don't know how to cook anything. I don't know what I was thinking. I need some help. I need some help real bad. I need Captain Barbecue.
What are you doing?
Bam! We're doing fruit! You understand?
I think so.
So don't screw this up, okay? Okay. Yippee! Ah! Ah! Can we make the ice? Wow, we can make something. What is this? That's what we're doing with that, okay? Now let's go back in the kitchen.
Well, that's delicious.
Making it happen with the captain right here, yeah?